Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change name on Eurowings Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen we have Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip and Check-in. In the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. And we have here in the middle, or in the bottom of the screen, book a flight where you can actually go and book your flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change name on Eurowings Airlines. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go to the top right corner of your screen where your profile is. And then out of all of these options, click on My Settings. When you click on My Settings, here, as you can see, you have the overview and all of these things. And here you can go to personal information, or you can go and click edit personal data. Then here, as you can see, you can go and change your name, change your last name, the address, and all of the things that, of course, you want to go and change. When you change them, just click Save Changes, and that will be that. Just so you know, this is only for video purposes. This is not my real information. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.